Hi, welcome to Queensway Dental Laboratory. I'm Richard Elliott. The purpose of today's video is to show you around each department, show you what we've got going on, and meet the team and see the type of work that we do. So we're just going to get started in the digital department. So welcome to the CAD suite. This is where we accept all of our intraoral scans that come in from scanners around the UK. We design everything in here ourselves, from posterior full contour simple cases to large digital diagnostic wax-ups to implant bars to complex multifaceted cases. We send some of this work out to be milled in milling centres depending on implant systems, so New York, Germany, Sweden, San Sebastian over in Spain, as well as sending some of our work domestically into our own milling centre next door there. Welcome to the 3D printing room at the lab. From day one, we've always invested an awful lot of money into the latest technology that is kind of coming onto the market. We usually wait until it's verified and works, and then we make the investment into something that's going to last us for quite a long time. We have 8 3D printers in total, of all different sizes for all kinds of different cases that we do. This machine in particular was the first one in the country. We got it in December 2022. These have artificial intelligence, which means they can work by themselves and keep the process working even when we're not in the lab. To clean the models, it used to be a nasty, smelly affair with alcohol, but we've recently invested in this piece of kit, the Demi Wash. It's non-toxic, non-corrosive. It's much cleaner for the environment and for my team. Welcome to our production department. So this is where all of the designs that happen in the CAD suite are realised and made into actual restorations for live cases. We have 5 milling units at our disposal. We have these 3 single unit workhorses here in the middle. We've used these an awful lot. They're really accurate and never really let us down. We also have this huge machine. There's only 3 of these in the country. And this one can accept up to 36 pucks of varying materials and shades. So this can kind of keep working during the night while we're not here and keep us up with demand of the crowns that are coming in. We also have a smaller milling unit just through here. And this machine here allows us to mill our own pre-milled abutments. So what that means is for implant work, we're not milling the really important accurate connection part. We're just milling the post. So all of the clever stuff's done before we get to it. But again, that's helping us deliver our restorations in a much speedier fashion. Welcome to the prosthetics department. We have a large prosthetics team providing removable appliances for all of our clients. We have a separate plaster room for prosthetics and crown and bridge. We weigh out every single powder to water ratio for our stone models so that there is absolute consistency across the lab, and cast all of our opposing models at exactly the same expensive die stone just to get our occlusions as close as we possibly can for our clients. This is the ceramics department. We are really lucky to have 8 full-time, incredibly experienced ceramists delivering excellent cosmetic standards, brilliant implant work, and as you can see when you look around the room, every single bench throughout the whole laboratory actually has a stereo microscope. We like to check everything within huge details to make sure that everything is kind of fits right, looks right, and is right for our clients. We also have iPads on everybody's desk that allows us to use your photographs in real time while we're doing the cases on each bench. I hope you've enjoyed the look around Queensway Dental Laboratory today, and I think you can see we've got quite a lot to offer. If you'd like to work with us and collaborate on cases with us, please do get in touch.